Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, all of you open your English workbooks and keep fingers and read. Page number 19. Okay? Open your workbooks, everybody. Okay? Now, vocabulary part. Which part? Vocabulary part. Synonyms and meanings. Synonyms and meanings. Synonyms spelling what? SYNONYMS. Synonyms are words that have the same or almost the same meanings. All the words synonyms will be having the same meanings. Okay. For example, happy. Happy means what? Joyful and cheerful. Happy means joyful and cheerful. Okay. Next, big. Big means what? Huge and large. Huge and large. Okay. 2.1. See there, all the pictures are given. Okay. You have to tick the correct word. In the bracket, 2 words are given. Read the full sentence and tick correct answer. For the word, underlined word. Underlined word is there now, one word in the sentence. So for that word, what is the meaning? You have to tick there by seeing the picture. Okay. And see, exercise 2.1, tick the correct synonym of the underlined words from the brackets. Okay, children. So first one, my friends, FRIENDS, my friends gave me a gift. Gave me a gift. For gift, what is the meaning? Either it is a box or present. See there in the picture. That is, what is that? Present. PRESCNT. Okay. The meaning of gift is present. Synonym of gift is present. Okay. Next, second one. My room is very neat. My room is very neat. Neat meaning what, children? Tidy, dirty. What's the answer? Tidy. TIDY, tidy. Third one. That is a beautiful dress. Dress means what? Frock or sweater? Frock. Okay? Picture you saw all of you. That's the dress means frock. Next one. This exercise is very difficult. This exercise is very difficult. Difficult means what? Either it is easy or hard. What's the answer? Hard. Okay? So fifth one, you run very fast. What's the meaning of fast, children? Slowly or quickly? Quickly. So it has a lovely voice. Lovely means beautiful, bad. What's the answer? Beautiful. Okay. Now, see the board. Gift. Gift means what, children? Present. PRESCNT. Present. You have to tick on the present. Okay. Neat. Neat means what? Tidy. TIDY. So, tick on tidy. Dress. Dress means what? Frock. On frock, FROCK, you have to tick there. Next, difficult spelling what? DIFFICULT. So, out of these two, what's the answer? Hard, HARD, tick on hard. Fast means what? Slowly or quickly? Quickly. QUICKLY, quickly. Tick on quickly. Lovely means what? Beautiful. 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 Next, children, exercise 2.2. All of you look into your books. Match the words to their meanings. First one, birthday. What is the meaning of birthday, children? The day on which you have born. Or anybody born. The day on which one has born, that is called as birthday. So you have to match that. Birthday means D. The day on which one is born. Between means what? In the middle of. In the middle of. A. You have to keep match here A. Second one A. Third one librarian. Librarian. Librarian means what, children? A person who looks after a library. Last F. A person who looks after a library. 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 Okay. Next. Visitor means what? One who goes to see somebody. You know visitors? In hospitals, visiting hours will be there na, to see the patients. So at that time only we will go and visit patients. That means maybe our relatives or our friends or anyone. Visitors means those who come and see somebody. Those who come and visit. That is what is called visitors. Okay. What's the meaning? Visitor means one who goes to see somebody. Okay. Next one. Away. Away means what, children? Somewhere else. It's far away. Means it's somewhere there. Okay. What is away? Away means be. Somewhere else. Be. Somewhere else. Okay. Next one. Funny means what? Making one laugh. Laugh spelling L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. Funny. Making one laugh. E. Okay, children? So, all of you match this. Properly you match. Next one. Children, grammar part. Singular and plural. You know singular and plural? Singular means one. Plural means more than one. Singular means only one. And plural means more than one. Okay? Now, first one. Read the given words, write the plural forms. First one is bus. Buses. Yes. Okay? Tomato. Tomatoes. Chair. Chairs. Yes. Adding of S or ES. Okay? Next one. Box. Boxes. Doll. Dolls. Zero. Zeros. Okay, children? Got it, all of you? Singular means only one. Plural means more than one. More than one. Okay, children? So, all of you copy down in your workbook. Okay, children, all of you open page number 21. Remember. Okay? Keep your fingers in your workbooks. Okay? See. Most words are made plural by adding S to their ends. What did you understand? Plurals means many words are ended with S. Okay? Examples: house, houses, ball, balls, boy, boys. Plurals of nouns that end in X, O or S. We add ES to the ends of the words. Example: fox. The verb has been ended with X. So to that word we have to add ES. Okay? Foxes. Plural form of fox is foxes. Yes. Potato. Potato is the word ended with O. So we have to add ES. potatoes. Gas. Gas is the word ended with S. So we have to end that gas with es. So plural form is gases. Did you all got it what I said? Okay. Next one. How do we make singular words? singular. Singular words that end in ss, sh or ch plural. Okay. How do we make singular words end in ss, sh or ch plural? We simply add es after ss, sh or ch to make the correct plural forms of such words. Okay. So example C children, singular and plural. Princess, Princess, princess. Princesses. Okay. S-E-S we have added. All of you see it in your workbooks? Yes. Next one. Cross. S word ended with S. We have to write E-S. Crosses. Dish. S-H. We have to end with E-S. Dishes. Trush. T-R-U-S-H. Trush. T-H-R-U-S-H-E-S. Thrushes. Ending word is, ending letter is CH, isn't it? Next. Beach. B-E-A-C-H. Beaches. B-A-C-H-E-S. Patch. P-A-T-C-H. Patch. P-A-T-C-H-E-S. Patches. Next. Class. C-L-A-S-S. Class. Classes. C-L-A-S-S-E-S. Classes. Boss. B-O-S-S. Boss. B-O-S-S-E-S. Bosses. Boss. Bosses. Bush. B-U-S-H. Bush. B-U-S-H-E-S. Bushes. Wish. W-I-S-H. Wish. W-I-S-H-E-S. Wishes. W-I-T-C-H. Witch. W-I-T-C-H-E-S. Witches. Okay. Batch. B-A-T-C-H. Batch. B-A-T-C-H-E-S. Batches. Got it children? Princess. Princesses. Cross. Crosses. Dish. Dishes. Thrush. Thrushes. Beach. Beaches. Patch. Patches. Class. Classes. Boss. Bosses. Bush. Bushes. Wish. Wishes. Witch. Witches. Batch. Batches. Okay? All of you got it? Okay. Next, 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Write the plural form of each noun. Here words are given in one side. So, singular are there and plural are there. What are the words you have to write in the plural form? You have to write in the blanks. Okay children? First one, dress. S and the word ended with S. So, you have to add ES. Dresses. D-R-E-S-S-E-S. Dresses. Glass. G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Glasses. Wish. S-H. Wishes. E-S. Wishes. W-I-S-H-E-S. Peach. P-E-A-C-H. P-E-A-C-H-E-S. C-H no. So, E-S you have to add. Lunch. C-H. L-U-N-C-H. Lunches. E-S. L-U-N-C-H-E-S. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Okay? Brushes. Dress. Dresses. Glass. Glasses. Wish. Wishes. Peach. Peaches. Lunch. Lunches. Brush. Brushes. Okay? Children, 3.2. What's 3.2? Rewrite the phrases after changing the nouns to their plural form. You have to again write the same thing. you have to add es, means plural form. You have to change the singular form into plural. Okay. Tall branch, tall branches. ch, the word ended with ch, so we have to add es in the plural form. Okay. Tall branch, tall branches. Green bush, green bushes. Big class, big classes. Shy princess, shy princesses. Tall church, tall churches. Wooden dish, wooden dishes. Okay, children. T-A-L-L, tall. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch, tall branch. T-A-L-L, tall. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches, tall branches. Green, G-R-E-N, green. B-U-S-H, bush, green bush. G-R-E-N, green. B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes, green bushes. B-I-G, big. C-L-A-S-S, class, big class. B-I-G, big. C-L-A-S-S-E-S, classes, big classes. S-H-Y, shy. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess, shy princess. S-H-Y, shy. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S-E-S, princesses. T-A-L-L, tall. C-H-U-R-C-H, church, tall church. T-A-L-L, tall. C-H-U-R-C-H-E-S, churches, tall churches. W-O-O-D-E-N, wooden. D-I-S-H, dish, wooden dish. W-O-O-D-E-N, wooden. D-I-S-H-E-S, dishes, wooden dishes. Okay, children. Now you have to write in your workbook. Okay, children. Okay, children, have you all completed? Now see your page textbook. All of you take out your textbook. Page number 16 and 17. Okay? Reading comprehension. What's this? Reading comprehension. Look at the picture below and answer the following questions. Okay? Look at the picture below and answer the following question. See the picture there. Okay. First one. The dragon in the picture has dash coming out of its mouth. What is coming out from its mouth, children? Fire, smoke, water, food. What's the answer? Smoke. What's the answer? Smoke. The animal in the picture can dash. Fly, run. Both fly and run. Or none of these. What's the answer? Both fly and run. Okay. Then dash is a suitable adjective for the animal in the picture. Okay. What's the answer, children? Dash is suitable adjective for the animal in the picture. Color. Color of that. Orange. Okay. What's the color of the dragon? Orange. Answer is C. The animal has a dash of wings. Pear, 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 pear. What's the answer? Pair. Pair means two wings. Okay. Pair of wings. Fourth one is pair. B. Okay. The animal in the picture looks weak. The animal in the picture looks weak. The opposite of weak is what, children? Weakly, unweak, poor, strong. Weak means what? Strengthless. So what's the opposite of weak? Strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. D. Okay. So first answer is B. Second answer is C. Third answer is C. Fourth answer is pair. B. And fifth one is D. Strong. Okay. Now picture 2. Look at the picture below and answer the following questions. All of you look into your textbook, the picture. Okay? There's a car and people inside. And there are the lights and buildings. Yes? See there. And try to give correct answer. Today's homework is you have to complete, read and write the answers of picture 1 and picture 2. This is your homework. Today you have to complete in your textbook. Okay children? This is homework. Do it. Thank you. Have a nice day.